And now God knows what she's written out there on that wall.
Who cares what psychiatrists write on walls? I think I told her about the army of the 12 monkeys. Impossible. Do you know why? Do you know why? Because you pathetically ineffectual and pusillanimous pretend friend to animals. I'll tell you why. Because when I had anything to do with her 6 years ago, there was no such thing. I hadn't even thought of it.
Then how come she knows what's going on?
Well, see, here's my theory on that. When I was institutionalized, my brain was studied exhaustively in the guise of mental health. I was interrogated, I was x-rayed, I was examined thoroughly. Then they took everything about me and put it into a computer where they created this model of my mind. Yes, using that model, they managed to generate every thought I could possibly have in the next, say, 10 years, which they then filtered through a probability matrix of some kind to determine everything I was gonna do in that period. So you see, she knew I was gonna lead the army of the 12 monkeys into the pages of history before it ever even occurred to me. She knows everything I'm ever gonna do before I know it myself. How's that? Question. You finish here, I'll meet you there. And if you forget one thing, I will have you shaved, sterilized, and destroyed.
Jack.
What?
You're a great man.
Fuck the bozos.
He's seriously crazy. You know that.